Hello friends, welcome to SBN Math Coaching classes. Today we are discussing about the linear equation in two variable. First we read about the name. Their name is linear equation in two variables. So we find out the mean of this name. What is the name mean? First we study about the variable. What is the variable? Variable is a quantity in mathematics which value is not fixed. You read many times about x, y, z. You see that's is a variable because its value is not fixed. You can see in many answers that x equal to 5, x equal to 9, x equal to 1 by 2. It's when value of x is not fixed, so it's known as a variable. And another quantity is constant. What is the constant? Constant is a quantity which value is fixed in the mathematics or the numerical numbers. All the numerical numbers are constant because that value is fixed, never change. So what is variable? Variable is the quantity which value is not fixed. Constant, what is the constant? Constant is a quantity which value is fixed, known as numerical. Okay. After we discuss about the equation. Before equation, we discuss about the algebraic expression. What is the algebraic expression? Algebraic expression described by the mathematical operation usage. What is the mathematical operation? First we study about the mathematical operation. What is the mathematical operation? Mathematical operation is plus, minus, multiply and divide. All are mathematical operation. Okay. So first algebraic expression. What is the algebraic expression? Algebraic expression described in the form of mathematical operation which uses with variable and constant. For example, x plus 9. Here mathematical operation used with variable and constant. So it's known as algebraic expression. Here many examples x, y, z. It's also a algebraic expression example. X, y, z. Here no symbol. You are thinking here no symbol, but if there no symbol, that can be considered in the form of x into y into z. If no sign between the two variables, then they will be considered in the form of multiply. Okay. So then what is the equation? This algebraic expression put equal to 0. This algebraic expression put equal to 0. Looking x plus 2 equals to 0. Then this way algebraic expression put equal to 0 any variable or a number, known as algebraic expression. Okay, known as equation. When algebraic expression put equal to 0 any variable or a number, known as equation. Okay. What is the linear? Linear means power of variable is maximum 1. Here x power is 1. What is the power and where's power is? What is the power? Power is a number. Or variable which write on the top and left side. Of any variable and constant. Here this number write on the top and left side. Right side. This number write on the top and right side. This is known as power. So if the power is 1, that equation known as linear. About 2, we can guess here variable is 2. That is x and y. Okay. So we can describe in the form of x and y. Here, what is the linear equation? What is the linear equation? Linear equation is two variable algebraic expression put equal to 0 and power is 1. All the combination known as linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now we discuss about the general form of the linear equation. We are discussing about the general form in the linear equation. What is the general equation? General equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. And another is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. You are thinking why we are taking two equations? Because here two variables x and y. If we take two variables solution, then here required maximum two equation or minimum two equations. Okay, so we are considering two equations. That is the standard equation of linear equation. What is the standard equation of linear equation? Linear equation standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Okay, and another is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We are discussing about a1. What is the a1? a1 is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Another a2. a2 is also a coefficient. Also a coefficient of x. But it's in the equation number first and it's in the equation number second. Also b1, similarly b1 and b2, that's the coefficient of y, coefficient of y, and c1 and c2, that's our constant term. That's our constant term. Okay. Now we are discussing about the position of line. We are discussing about the position of line. What is the position of line and what is the types of solution and also what types of system that is consistent or inconsistent. So here three types of line. Three types of line. Here three types of line. First is intersecting line. Second is parallel line. And third is coincident line. Okay, how we can find position of lines? That can be found by the comparison of coefficient of a, x, y and constant term. Okay, so first we study about the a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. This condition, it means, for example, we consider 2x plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0 and 5x plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. Here we compare this equation to the standard equation. Compare here please. a1 equal to 2, a2 equal to 5, b1 equal to 3 or b2 equal to 6, c1 equal to 4 and c2 equal to 9. Okay, so we are discussing about the ratio. What is the ratio? Ratio is a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 5. b1 upon b2 is equal to 3 upon 6. If you divide it by 3, then 1 upon 2. And c1 upon c2 is equal to 4 upon 9. Here we can see that condition is completely satisfied. a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 and not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, so here we can see this condition is satisfied. If this condition is satisfied, then the position of line is lines are intersecting. Lines are intersecting. Types of solution, unique solution. And system is consistent. What type diagram here? Type of diagram is here, that diagram. Okay. Next, condition parallel line. What is the parallel line? Parallel line show two parallel lines. Parallel line show is not equal to C1 upon C2. So we are discussing about the parallel line. What is the parallel line diagram? Parallel line diagram is this type. That is the parallel line diagram. In parallel line diagram, we can see they are not meeting at any point. So no solution. So no solution. Already we described types of line which is parallel, no solution, and consistent or inconsistent. It's inconsistent because they are not meeting any point. So it's known as inconsistent. Okay. Next condition is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. It means lines are coincident. Lines are coincident. Coincident means overlapping each other. Overlapping each other. Here you can see these are overlapping each other. Okay. So lines are consistent. Solution. They are meet at infinite point. You can see these both lines are meeting at infinite points. So they are looking infinite points. Okay. So solution is infinite. Infinite solution. And what is the types of system? Consistent or inconsistent? Then consistent, because they are meeting in the at the points. Okay. Thank you friends. If you like, please like my video and subscribe.